Animal Adaptations Project by Patrick Donovan. The copperhead snake. An animal that has a special defense feature is the copperhead snake. One defense feature is that it sprays venom to warn predators. One way a copperhead snake finds its prey and hunts is by smelling from its forked tongue. When a copperhead snake is hunting, it strikes its prey, then paralyzes it, then swallows it whole. Lastly, when it is hunting, the copperhead snake has heat-sensitive pits near its eyes to find nocturnal animals. I would not want to get anywhere near a copperhead snake. The beaver. An animal that is adapted to the warm weather is the beaver. One adaptation is that it releases body heat to stay cool. Another adaptation is that it can eat any of its prey underwater so no animals can steal its food. Also, it has an oil-like skin to keep its fur coat waterproof. And a beaver would not be able to swim if it did not have a tail. Lastly, when it is swimming underwater, it uses its eyelids to protect its eyes while it is swimming underwater. I think it would be cool to be a beaver. Beaver. The lionfish. The lionfish. An animal whose body has adapted to the food it eats is the lionfish. One way the lionfish ambushes its prey is by hiding in the coral. And if the lionfish thinks the fish that swims by can fit in the lionfish mouth, it attacks it. The prey they target are crabs, small fish, and shrimp. These fish are deadly to all humans because they're venomous spines on their backs. Lastly, another way to stalk prey is by swimming like a normal fish, then they puncture it with their venomous spines. I don't want to swim with a lionfish. A flounder. An animal that uses mimicry and camouflage is the flounder. This is a way a flounder uses mimicry. The flounder will bury itself part way, then when a fish swims over its head, it strikes the fish, then swallows it. This is a way a flounder uses camouflage. A flounder will lay on top of the sand, and it will stay there to rest. I think it would be cool to be a flounder. A blacktip reef shark. An animal with a special adaptation related to how it cares for its young is the blacktip reef shark. A mom blacktip reef shark gives birth to live young so it can take care of it right away. A mom blacktip reef shark will take care of its young for 8 to 16 weeks, then lets it live on its own. A baby blacktip reef shark isn't born till it can defend itself. I think it would be cool to be a blacktip reef shark. There are many physical features that a uniram has. A uniram has a lot of physical face features. The uniram has a small eye with bushy eyebrows. Its mouth does not have any teeth, but it has a very sharp tongue. A uniram's body physical adaptations are that it has a tail, stubby legs, and no nails on its feet. I think it would be cool to be a uniram. There are many behaviors that go into a uniram. This is how a uniram defends itself. A uniram will hiss if it is threatened and stabs with its horn. It also defends itself by kicking. A uniram can kick so hard that it can kill a buffalo. Here are some facts on how a uniram cares for its young. One way a uniram cares for its young is by teaching all the life skills for about a month, then lets the baby uniram go live on their own. Also, it gives live birth. That means it can teach all the life skills. I think uniram's behavior is really cool. The horn. The horn can eject venom when it stabs its prey. The legs and feet. The legs are stubby, small, and brown. and the feet are small with no claws and are blue. The body has many various colors. On the end, it has pink, navy blue, and turquoise stripes. On the front of the Uniram, there is many various yellow, orange, blue, green stripes. The tail is brown and bushy and not that big. Lastly, the mouth. The mouth has no teeth, but it has a very sharp tongue that cut its prey. Hi, my name is Patrick Donovan. I live in Medfield, Massachusetts with my mom, dad, and sister. I was born on April 4th, 2004. I love to play sports, especially hockey, lacrosse, and baseball. I have had lots of fun making this slide for you. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.